Let me introduce myself. My name is Mayang Arya Garini, Faculty of Economy and Business Management Study Program with NIM 6424056. I will express my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking on campus is something that is disgraceful and can have several negative impacts in the academic, environmental, health fields. One of the impacts in the health sector is that it can damage the body organs and can cause diseases such as heart disease, respiratory problems, cancer, and many others. From an academic perspective, it can reduce concentration, reduce memory, and reduce focus on learning. And from environmental perspective, it can cause air pollution, discomfort in the surrounding environment, and can transmit cigarette smoke to other people, which can give rise to the germ passive smoking. This requires awareness for smokers to be more aware of themselves and other people around them. My hope is that smokers will be aware of the dangers of cigarettes, stop smoking, and move on to something better. So, from this point on, smoking in campus area is not recommended because it can harm the health of yourself and others, as well as breaking the rules.
Next, I will explain a PowerPoint about the simple present. Simple present. When is present tense used? What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does it mean to be present? Present in simple present tense means now, then simple means simple. And tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. Next slide. What is meant by simple present tense? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Apart from that, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sense tense, type 0 and conditional sense tense type 1 sense tense patterns followed by the simple future tense. Before diving deeper, it's better if we remember the structure of a sense tense so we can say a sense tense if it consists of the following three things: subject, predicate, complement. There are only two things that are required, namely the subject and the predicate. Next slide, simple present tense formula. In a verbal sense tense, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject it will be accompanied by a noun verb which we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus complement for positive sense tense with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb plus complement. Next slide. Nominal simple present tense. Simple present tense nominal are nominal that do not use verbs, for example in the sentence below. How do you make simple present tense tense then? The following is a simple present tense formula that you can use. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Interactive sense tense to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sense tense tense plus positive she is doctor in the city, negative she is not is doctor in the city, interactive sense tense is she doctor in the city, of which there is an example where she is doctor in the city. Means we look at the bottom, there is a nominal sense tense formula. Here we can see the subject mean she predicate noun verb also is. The complement is doctor in the city. If the negative is the same, a not is added because it is negative. And the third question sense tense is reversed to become is she. Next slide. Nominal sense tense formula in simple present tense. Subject I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Predicate noun are, is, complement, noun, adjective, adverb. Next slide. Verbal simple present tense. The formula plus negative interactive sense tense from simple present tense to verbal pattern is subject plus verb 1 plus complement, negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interactive sense tense do or did plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion, in verbal sense tense, you do not need to add it to be after the subject because the task as the predicate is the verb. The good thing is the verb in this tense is the basic form, meaning it has changed. And here there is a verbal sense tense formula, subject, predicate, complement. If a verbal sense tense must use a verb. Next slide. Verbal sense tense formula in a simple present. Subject I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Predicate verb, verbs 1, verb 1, she is. Complement, noun, adjective, adverb. So, if you make a sentence with a third person pronoun as the subject, he, she, it, singular subject, there are several verbs that must add this is at the end. Next slide, adding the final letter in simple present tense verb for third person pronouns. Verbs ending addition example. Next slide, positive or affirmative simple present tense. Just like nominals, verbal sentences also have a positive form as we discussed at the beginning. Example of simple present tense: I live in Jakarta, he live in Jakarta. The next slide, negative simple present tense. So, especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence, use do or does or do, don't and does not does. Example, I don't live in Bandung, she does live in Bandung. Why does live? How come it does live? Because the word does already include the addition is, so there is not need to add any more to the verb section. Next slide. Simple present question or interrogative. In the interrogative sentence pattern, it is separated into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I work? Does you work? In accordance with the name of the type, namely yes or no question, so only need to answer the question above with yes, I do, yes, he does. Next slide. What are examples of simple present tense? Positive sentence. She wants to be a doctor, chose eat grass, they speak English at the office, he likes banana, they play basketball every morning. Negative sentence. They don't have any money, Lala don't see Peter in the class. My best friend don't love you. You don't listen to me. California is not in United Kingdom. Interrogative sentence or question sentence. Do they talk a lot? Does he play tennis? Does your father drink coffee? Where does he live? Does he ride the motorcycle? Next slide. Times, words, or a verb of time. What are the characteristics of the simple present tense sentence? The adverb of the of time, what that we will discuss, has another term, namely adverb of frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. However, the sentences that use time words below are definitely included in the simple present tense. The first, using verbs in the basic form infinitive or no irregular verb. Example, I play soccer every weekend. The second, use auxiliary verb, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative forms. Example, she don't eat meat. Don't, does not. Auxiliary word in negative form, the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do. Auxiliary word for question with the subject you. And the third, in the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. Next slide, function and use of simple present tense. There are 5 functions of the simple present. The first, general truth or generalization or fact. Generalization means truth that cannot be constant. So, simple present tense is a form of sentence to express concrete things. An example sentence: the earth revolves around the sun. The second, habitual or daily activities. The simple present tense also functions to show daily habits or activities or schedule that you do repeatedly. Example, we go to school by bus every morning. The third, express feeling and emotion. What if you're sad or maybe you are thinking about something? Can express it through simple present tense. Example of sense tense. The first is feelings. For example, I am sad to hear your bad news. The second is emotion. For example, I always thankful because I have a great best friend. The fourth, the schedule even in the near future or familiar with future condition. What is meant by this function is that the simple present tense is also used to discuss activities or events that are scheduled in the near future. Apart from that, this tense is commonly used when discussing transportation schedule. For example, the train departs at 8 o'clock a.m. At the end, the last number, command or interaction. Example of sense tense, draw pattern or use fingerprint to unclog for digits into the cup. That's all my explanation about simple present PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. See you next time.